How does a billionaire work? Billionaires do not approach the world in the same way most people do. That's why they became billionaires. They have their own very distinct habits, characteristics, values, and ethics that contribute to their success and acquisition of money. And for that, today, we are discussing the 8 ways of how a billionaire works. If you want to know the unique daily life of a billionaire, then keep watching. But before that, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button. Let's dive into the billionaire world. Number 8. They work hard and enjoy life. Billionaires work really hard, sometimes harder than the rest of us. In fact, they are well known for their incredible work ethic. According to Elon Musk, you need to work 80 to 100 hours per week. If others are putting in 40+ hour work weeks and you are putting in more than 100-hour work weeks, you know that even if you are doing the same job, you will accomplish something that takes them a year to do in 4 months. Mark Cuban studied coding all night and didn't take a holiday for 7 years. That appears to have worked for Cuban, who seems to be content with his life. Even if billionaires work hard and make short-term sacrifices to do so, they also remember to have fun, recharge their batteries, and enjoy the rewards of their labor. Consider Richard Branson. Well, who doesn't want that kind of life? Number 7. Never forget about their customers. According to J. Paul Getty, invent, develop, and invest in your goods and services with client pleasure as your priority. Whoever uses a method of doing or manufacturing practically anything better, quicker, or more efficiently has their destiny and fortune at his fingertips. According to Forbes writer Jeffrey Dorman, 75% of the world's billionaires got their money by offering something that their clients desired. He adds that they improve the lives of their customers, resulting in a win-win situation for both the client and the billionaire who provided the service or product. Remember, always give your client way more than they expected to originally get. If they come into your gas station for gas, wash their windows too. It's the little things that make you stand out, but also the over-the-top service that will make you excel. Number 6. Create a reliable team of advisors and partners. No one becomes a billionaire on their own. Everyone requires assistance along the path. In the same way that Batman had Robin, Gates had Paul Allen and eventually Steve Ballmer working with him to establish Microsoft. Similarly, Apple was founded by the 2 Steves. Since 1975, Warren Buffett has collaborated with Charles Munger. A reliable confidant supports you, acts as your listening ear, and does not hesitate to provide constructive criticism when necessary. He or she keeps you focused and centered. Never be scared to collaborate with someone wiser than you or who has tools that you lack. And let's be honest, we all need assistance in life. If we were perfect, everyone would be a billionaire today. Number 5. Pay close attention to the finer details. Avoiding minute details can kill the artist within you. The artist flourishing within you might lose the worldly race just because you tend to avoid finer details. Winning is the total of finer details, said Harvey S. Firestone, the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company creator. According to colleagues, Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple and a recognized visionary, was known for his meticulous attention to detail. No detail was too little to be neglected. According to NPR, Jobs reportedly contacted a Google official to express his dissatisfaction with the hue of the Google logo on the iPhone. In the early stages, businesses are more likely to fail because they ignore the finer details because of the entrepreneur's failure to see the larger picture. Think long-term and think big. Number 4. They aren't afraid of failure. Understand that it is impossible to eliminate all mistakes and traps. So don't be afraid of failure, even if it's dramatic and embarrassing to others. Sam Walton, the co-founder of Walmart, had its first Arkansas business fail. Apple's Newton technology was a massive flop, yet the lessons acquired resulted in the iPad and iPhone. and Apple's Lisa computer was a flop that Jobs was fired from the business for. James Dyson, the English creator of the innovative Dyson vacuum cleaner, built 5,127 prototypes over 15 years before he had a product he could sell. When there is a disaster, some are keen on getting out, and that's when we're interested in going in, said billionaire Carlos Slim Helú. According to Forbes, Mark Zuckerberg, the creator of Facebook, stated that the most significant danger is not taking any risk. The only tactic that is sure to fail in a rapidly changing environment is to avoid taking chances. The moral of this point is that if you have failed, don't stop. Move on and keep pushing forward. You can't achieve something if you never try to achieve. Number 3. Be completely devoted to success. Forget about desire. Success is all about devotion. Don't start a company unless it's something you love, says Mark Cuban, a billionaire in his early 30s following the sale of his firm Broadcast.com to Yahoo for $5.7 billion. It's not an obsession if you have an escape strategy. Cuban couldn't keep a girlfriend, didn't take a vacation for 7 years, and didn't even read a fiction novel during that time because, as per him, he was pretty concentrated. Bill Gates rarely took a day off while establishing Microsoft in his 20s. Consistency is crucial, according to Elon Musk. It would help if you never gave up unless you had been forced to. Number 2. They have big dreams. What can you provide to the world that is disruptive, captivating, and beneficial, capable of changing lives? No billionaire starts a business expecting it to only be somewhat successful. Elon Musk, the creator of Tesla and SpaceX, stated that you have to have motives as to why you wake up every morning and desire to live. What makes you want to continue living? What's the aim of this? What motivates you? That, my friend, is your purpose, and what you should use every day to drive you. Find it and use it. At the age of 19, Bill Gates was amongst the first to see the personal computer might transform business, academia, telecommunications, and entertainment if their functioning could be simplified so that anybody could use them. It resulted in the formation of Microsoft. Amazon.com founder Jeff Bezos saw a future in which internet businesses might replace brick-and-mortar enterprises with lower prices, more product, and better customer care. Billionaires are skilled at imagining what can be, then turning it into reality. I bet if you look at your own life, you turn your imagination into reality all the time. It might not be on the same scale as Steve Jobs, but who says you can't? Number 1. Pay attention to your own drummer. Find your distinctive niche rather than attempting to replicate what has performed well for others. It is common for people to copy and find shortcuts to success, but a billionaire has worked day in and day out to find his field that will potentially touch the sky. If you want to be a billionaire one day, concentrate on determining what the world expects and requires. For example, if SpaceX is going great for Elon Musk, that doesn't mean it would be as fruitful for you as it is for him. Find your purpose and then work backwards until you come up with an idea of what you can do that will make you billions whilst maintaining your purpose. So which of these habits do you possess? Which are you now going to start implementing? Please share it with us in the comments section. We love to hear how this video may have helped you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button for similar videos in the future. We post 4 intriguing videos each week. We also have a how to go from zero to hero video on the channel that might intrigue you. Thanks for watching.